Let's go over adding 50s. For example, say we have 44 and we have to add 4. To add 4, we add 5 and minus 1. But to add 40, which is 4 tenths, we would go over to the tens, okay? And we would add 5 tenths and minus 1 tenth. And that's regardless of what you have. So for example, say we have 42 and I have to add 40, I would add 5 tenths and minus 1 tenth. But say I had 30 and I had to add 40. Same thing. If you can't add 40, you add 5 tenths and minus 1 tenth. Say you have 20 and you have to add 40. Again, if you don't have space for 40, you add 5 tenths and minus 1 tenth. And if you have 10 and you have to add 40, same thing. You don't have space for 40, you only have 3 tenths. So you add 5 tenths and you minus 1 tenth. Now what about 30? Say you have 40 and you have to add 30. Same thing. You would add 5 tenths and take away 2 tenths. So you have 30 and you have to add 30. You would add 5 tenths and take away 2 tenths. So you have 20 and you have to add 30. You don't have space for 30, so you add 5 tenths and minus 2 tenths. Say you have 10 and you have to add 30. Well, in this case, you do have space right here, so you just add the 30. Now remember, to add 30, you only add 5 tenths minus 2 tenths if you don't have enough space. Okay, for example, right now I don't have enough space. So I would add 5 tenths and take away 2 tenths if I want to add 30. Now let's look at adding 20. If I have 4 tenths and I have to add 20, then I would add 5 tenths and take away 3 tenths. If I have 30 and I want to add 20, I would add 5 tenths and take away 3 tenths. If I have 20 and I want to add 20, well, that's easy. I already have space for 20. So 20 is just 20. Unless you don't have space, then you do 5 tenths minus 3 tenths. Okay, and then for 10, again, that's 10. If you have space to add another 10, add another 10. But if you have, say, for example, 40, and you can't add 1 10, then you would add 5 tenths and you would minus 4 tenths. In the next video, I will walk through some of these steps with you along with one of the units, so you can follow me and we'll do it together, and I will take you one step at a time so you can see what I mean in action. Okay.